Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Wi-Fi is not working on Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to make sure that you have the Wi-Fi working on different devices. So if you have any smartphone, you can go ahead and check if the Wi-Fi is working on your phone or not, just to make sure that there is no issue from your internet service provider. Also make sure that your wireless is enabled in your system BIOS. So in many brands, when you start your computer and when you keep on tapping F2, it takes you to the BIOS screen. So start your computer and then tap the BIOS key on your keyboard to go to the system BIOS, and over there you can go ahead and check whether wireless is enabled in system BIOS or not. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and disable proxy server. For this, go to the start menu and then click on settings, or you can make a right click on the start menu to open Windows 11 settings. Now go to network and internet over here. Now over here click on proxy. Now in case over here user proxy server is on, you can go ahead and click on edit, and then you can go ahead and turn this off, then click on save, and then try to connect to your internet. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run network troubleshooter. For this, again open Windows 11 settings, make a right click and then click on settings. Now go to system and then scroll down. Over here you can see the troubleshoot option, click on it and then click on other troubleshooter. Scroll down. Here you can see network adapter and then click on run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, you can go ahead and try to connect to your Wi-Fi once again. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and perform network reset. Now before you perform network reset, make sure that you have the Wi-Fi password, because after the network reset, your system will restart, and then you have to, when you try to connect to your network, it will be asking for your password. So just make sure that you have the Wi-Fi password. Now again open Windows 11 settings and then click on network and internet over here, and then click on advanced network settings, and then click on network reset over here, and then click on reset now, and then click on yes to perform a network reset. And after this, system will restart, and after the system restart, you can go to internet icon over here, and then you can go ahead and click over here, and then you will see the connect option, connect, and it will be asking for your Wi-Fi password. Enter the password and it should start working. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So make a right click on the start menu and then open Windows Terminal as an administrator. So click on Windows Terminal admin. If you don't find Windows Terminal admin over here, in that case, you can click on the start menu, and over here in the search box, you can go ahead and type in Windows Terminal, and then make a right click on the Windows Terminal app and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. Then copy the, now on Windows Terminal over here, you can see this down arrow. This is a drop down option. Click on it, then click on command prompt. And once command prompt is open in new tab, copy all the command one by one and paste it over here, and then hit the enter key. Run all the command one by one. And run the last command and then restart your computer. So you can close this window and then go to the start menu and then click on the power icon, then click on restart, and after that you can go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and uninstall the network driver, and then you have to restart your computer. For this, open device manager. So make a right click on the start menu and then click on device manager. This will open device manager. Then you have to expand the network adapter over here. So expand over here. And over here, you will find your wireless card. In your case, it might be Intel or any other wireless card. In my case, it's Realtek. Just make a right click on your wireless card and then click on uninstall device. Then click on uninstall. And after the uninstall, I will not uninstall right now. In my case, it's working. So click on uninstall. And after the uninstall, you go ahead and restart your computer. Now, during the system restart, Windows 11 will install the default driver for your wireless card. And then you can go to the internet icon over here and then click on it and then find your network, click on connect. It will be asking for your password, and then enter the password and connect, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and update your network driver from your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have Lenovo, go to Lenovo. If you have HP, go to HP. If you have Asus, go to Asus website. So just make sure that you go to your system manufacturer website. Now for this you need internet connection. Right now you're not connected, so you won't be able to go online, but in this case you can go ahead and use Ethernet cable to connect to your computer. So if you have Ethernet cable and if your computer has a Ethernet port, you can go ahead and go online using Ethernet cable. Now in case if you don't have any Ethernet cable or your computer does not have an Ethernet port, in that case you can use another computer to download the network driver from the website, and you can transfer the file to the external storage device such as external hard drive or flash drive. So if you have any external hard drive or flash drive, and if you have any other computer which has the internet access, you can go to your system manufacturer website. For example, I'm showing for Dell, so you can go to your brand website and then select your model number, and then you have to go ahead and find your wireless card driver. So here in my case it's this Intel Wi-Fi driver. Download the file, click on download, and once the download is complete you can go to show in folder and then copy the file from here. This is the copy option in Windows 11. Copy it and then you can go ahead and transfer it to your external hard drive or flash drive. So this is my flash drive connected over here. You can transfer it over here, paste it over here, and once the file is transferred over here, you can go ahead and unplug the flash drive from your computer, from other computer, and then you have to connect the flash drive to the computer on which the Wi-Fi is not working. And once you connect the flash drive to the computer on which Wi-Fi is not working, you have to go ahead and install the Wi-Fi driver. So once it is transferred, once you have connected the flash drive to the computer on which Wi-Fi is not working, make a double click over here, and then you have to click on yes to install the driver. And after the installation, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then connect to your Wi-Fi. So restart your computer and then connect to your internet. Now, in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and reset your computer. For this, you can go to Start menu and then open Windows 11 settings. Now, before you perform reset, just make sure that you create a backup, because reset may result in data loss. So just create a backup and then open Windows 11 settings. Now go to Windows Update and then click on Advanced Options. And over here you can see the recovery options. Click on recovery, and then over here you can see this reset this PC. So click on reset PC and just follow the on-screen instruction to reset your computer. And after the reset, you can go ahead and set up your computer and then connect to your Wi-Fi. In case if reset PC option is not working over here, you can go to advanced startup. So click on restart now. And when you restart, it will take you to the system recovery screen. From there, you can click on troubleshoot, and then you can go ahead and click on reset this PC. And after the reset, you can go ahead and set up your computer and then connect to your Wi-Fi. Now, still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run hardware test to identify any issue with the network card. So if you have a faulty network card on your computer, then none of the step will work. In that case, you can go ahead and run the hardware test. And if network card is found faulty, you can go ahead and contact your system manufacturer and get it replaced. That should definitely go ahead and help you to fix the problem. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get your Wi-Fi working on Windows 11. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.